Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Sony PlayStation, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add our Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card into our PlayStation account, and that way we can use it as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, I'm filming this on my phone at the store.playstation.com. You can do this on your PlayStation as well. It's just easier for me to film here. And if you're not familiar with the Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card, basically what it is you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. I bought this one at CVS. Once you buy this card, then you can load cash onto it. Once that happens, then you can usually use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But can you use it on your PlayStation account as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I've already logged into my PlayStation Store right here. Once you've logged in, you want to scroll down until you get to the section called Account. I'm going to click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked on Account. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link to this website there. Once you've clicked on Account, you're going to see this option called Manage Account. I'm going to click there now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there, and then it routes you to another Sony website. This is where you can manage your payment methods. So once you're here, you're going to see your name at the top, and then you want to scroll down until you get to the section called Manage Payment or Payment Management, and that's where you want to try to add your Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you're going to come up with the Sony payment settings screen, and this is where you'll be able to see all the different payment methods you have associated with your PlayStation account. But if you want to try to add your Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card into your Sony PlayStation account, you want to click on this blue line right here called Add Payment Method. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and you have a couple of different options, but you want to go ahead and choose this one, Add a Credit or Debit Card, since this is a Netspend Prepaid Debit Card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next Sony PlayStation's asking for the full 16-digit Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card number, along with the cardholder name, expiration date, and security code. Now the cardholder name, that's not really too important. You can go ahead and use your name, or you can put Netspend customer, what's here, but I might recommend you go ahead and use your name. That way, if the transaction needs to be pulled up at a later date, it's easy for them to search it. And then also all the information you're going to enter in, the main thing is going to be the zip code that you have associated with your Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card. So I'm going to enter all that information in off screen now. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in all the required information. Next, you want to scroll down until you get to this blue line called Next. I'm going to click there now. All right, next PlayStation's asking for the billing address associated with my Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card. So I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, I entered in the billing address for my Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card. Next, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you get to this blue Save button. I'm going to click there now. All right, and just a few seconds later, the payment settings screen pops back up, and it looks like, yes, you can use your Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card. As you can see, I now have a new Visa listed here under my payment methods. So if you were not able to add your Netspend Prepaid Debit Visa card into your PlayStation account for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it should not be an issue at all for you. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.